Hi, what's up?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. What's up?
I'm good. My name is Beauty. What's your name?
I'm studying.
Okay, nice meeting you. So, you look cute.
As well.
I love your earring, your outfit, 100 over 100, and I wanna go on a date with you.
Since Jamali and Owa, I found Ben wine, may good on who the key.
Ah, why? You are cute. So, why is there no guy you're toasting or something?
Why are you testing them?
No. I've been crossing here. You're not noticing me. So I decided to walk up to you now. Since you guys are fond of not noticing somebody because you are cute or something.
I swear.
That's why I walked up to you. Please don't turn me down.
Turn you down.
Yes, I just want us to go on a date.
Where?
On a night date at my
Night
lodge.
Lodge. Since Jamali then Owa, I found Ben wine. Biagodi, nke toasted number 1. Monke lodging. Number 2, I found Belemia.
It's normal now. I just liked you. I've just been admiring you, so I want to go on a date with you.
Because Kevin de Cameluna. Maka.
There's no camera here now.
Kevin want to Cameluna.
I'm on with camera now. See, I'm using 16. You can't you see? I'm good. I'll not take anything from you. Just to spend the night with me. Feel free. Jeez, have fun.
How much?
How much, Cop?
How much now?
Will I also pay you for giving you good times?
Which good time? How much is it?
I know they
Emma, I no go na no ukopian. How much?
I know they pay you now.
You not go pay me?
Yeah.
It be serious.
Calm down now. Is there anything that I'll pay you? I will not pay you now. I'll give you anything.
I'm very toast to give. Emma, say how much? And say again, can and can go nke how much?
If you come to toast me, I know if you say how much.
I'm very toast to give na ka na po hotel. Emma ni na ebuzim no no ukopian. Apugom na ukopian ke na chizi buzim na.
No now. Let me just do it for this time now. Let me just take it to my lodge. Nothing much. I don't have a boyfriend.
Kera boom.
No, he's not. Don't go to that side now. It's not that side we are going to. Just feel free, So let's go now. Please. Please.
Aguya. Oh, we are going. Oh, kwani yoga diamond.
So let's
see. I
want to see.